Okay, so finally, one of the most awaited Magisk modules out there. Maybe most of you guys already know about that, but I just got this module right now and I thought I should share with you. Very useful Magisk module, which is kind of a per app volume control. Of course, right now some custom rooms are having this feature that they let you control the volume for per app. For example, if you have a device, if you are using YouTube here at once and you don't want to decrease your device volume, just for you want to decrease the volume for that app called YouTube or any app you're using, then this model is quite helpful. The feature is already available in some custom rooms, but we're not gonna talk about that. If you are using Lineage OS or a custom room where you don't get this feature, then you might probably need this model. For example, as you can see, if I'm using right now YouTube here, and if I want to turn off, or you can say I want to make the sound less for this thing, then I need to decrease the sound for my whole device. But yes, this is where this module comes. You simply need to choose the application here. For example, we are going to choose YouTube. Here you have this general volume. Let me just decrease it once. I will not be able to show you, by the way, but let's just try out this. And here, when I just increase the volume for this, like when I increase the volume for my device, it will not increase the volume in YouTube. That's quite helpful, and I think so most of you guys already know about this model, that what this model will do. This is called per app volume control. The name is already telling you that what this app will do, so I don't think so I need to tell you that what this app will do. But this is actually quite helpful, quite necessary, and I think so most of you guys will definitely love this module. And of course, if you're using Lineage OS, if you're using Pixel Experience or any other custom ROM where you don't get this feature, then this is really helpful for you. It has one disadvantage, or you can say one degree, is that this will not work on MIUI, One UI, or if you're using Oxygen OS. I'm not sure if it will work for that, but mostly it should not work for MIUI or One UI. At least for both of these it will not work. But yes, this is how the module is working like. Installation is quite simple, as it's just a Magisk module. You can customize the left volume, right volume. Of course, if you are using earphones, then this is quite helpful for you. I uninstalled this module to show you that how you can install this on your device, and installation has a little bit things to keep in mind, so that's why I thought I should share with you. Of course, I'm using the latest Magisk version, Magisk 23. Make sure you're also using the latest version. While making this video, Magisk 23 is the latest one. So if simply move on here, go to install from storage, and the file which we need is called Audio HQ module, which should be around 14 MB. Here it will show you that warning, please stop this installation or revert if you're using OEM modified ROM, for example Samsung One UI, Flame, etc, etc. It will automatically wait for 10 seconds to tell you that if you want it or not, and then you need to press the volume up. And here the main thing comes, if you're also seeing installation failed, because it wants your device Linux to be permissive. If you have permissive, then it's good. If you have enforcing, then you need to make it permissive, and it will show you installation failed, like what I did right now. It just shown me installation failed. But if I go and choose in enforcing mode, I don't want to change the Linux to permissive or anything else. I have the Linux enforcing and I don't want to revert back to Linux permissive, then this module will also work for you. This is actually quite impressive. Simply press volume up here, and here you need to press the volume down button. Because I'm using enforcing Linux, you simply need to press the volume down and it will automatically do all these things, and you are good to go. This is quite helpful, as most of the guys don't want to make this Linux permissive. So yes, if it is working enforcing, just go ahead and install this module. This is all link in the description. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, have a nice day.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.